Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. This is the series of my Ukrainian food vlogs and today I would like to teach you how to cook вареники з вишнями. Вареники з вишнями means Varenyky with cherries. This is our national food. We cook it at the dessert. And Vareniki you also call in English as dumplings, pierogies, etc. But we just call them in Ukrainian Vareniki. So I'm going to show you a very easy recipe and also how to make Vareniki. So поїхали! Let's get it started. So let's start with the cooking of our dough. Почнемо готувати тісто. So we just need one egg, одне яйце. Додаємо його сюди. Потім ми беремо сіль. Let's take some salt. We need one pinch of salt. Here. Трішки. Додаємо солі. Потім ми беремо, let's take 1 tablespoon of oil. Так. І беремо муку, flour. So we need approximately 300 grams of flour. Так, додаємо муку. We need to sieve the flour. Так. Just added approximately 300 grams of flour. Now I have to mix it with the egg and with the salt. To mix it very good. So I have already mixed it and I have to add a boiled water, approximately 180 grams of boiled water. I have just boiled it, but I waited approximately 5 minutes and now its temperature is approximately 90 degrees Celsius. So I have to add it here and to mix it very good and very fast to mix it. Перемішати знову. So this is a very popular recipe. It is very fast. It is very good to make a very good dough. And it is also used for pelmeni. You know, pelmeni, this is Russian dumplings with meat, and vareniki is traditional Ukrainian one, and we cook it usually with potato, with cheese, also with meat, with cherry. So let's make it. Continue to knead the dough on the table. Ось так я замішую дуже добре тісто. I add some extra flour і замішуємо approximately 3-5 minutes. So I have just made such a beautiful dough. Now we have to leave it approximately for 20 minutes to make it more softer. I put it like this in the package and just leave it for 20 minutes. You don't need to put it in fridge. Just leave it here at the normal temperature. Here is our dough after the 20 minutes. So I don't have a form for making cookies, so I am going to show you a different way how to form vareniki. So I just take a dough, I take a knife, and I'm going just to cut it. I'm going to make like sausage. Sausage. So I just make a sausage. I just rolled this piece of dough and I'm going to cut it into small pieces like this, you can see, and then to form vareniki from them. And then from these small pieces I'm going to make such rounded dough things for making vareniki. I don't know how to call it. yeah, I make it like this. So I have just made such pieces of dough for making vareniki. Of course, they have different forms because I don't have a special form for vareniki, and actually it doesn't really matter. So I take cherry and I let them give the juice, because you won't be able to form a good varenik with the juice cherry. So I usually take approximately 2-3 cherries, and then I add some sugar here. So my family always make vareniki like this, because cherry is sour and we just add sugar here inside. Some people just form vareniki and then cook them and then add some sour cream and then sugar on top. So it's up to you. So you can see I just form vareniki like this. So you see, very easy and very beautiful one. Так, ось так. Let me. So you can see again, I make such sausage from the dough. I have already made the first portion of vareniki with cherry. So actually you can take fresh cherries, or you can take frozen cherries. Actually, it doesn't matter. Again, you can make them as you want. And then again, I'm going to cut this, as I say, sausage into pieces, and again to form vareniki. So I have made the first portion of vareniki by myself, and now I'm going to cook them. Just put them in the boiled water, and I'm going to cook them for 10 minutes in the boiled water approximately. Ось так. And you have to mix them, because they can become a very big one varenik. So to avoid this, take the spoon immediately and mix them. Vareniki are ready, so now I can take them from the bowl. You can see які гарні мої вареники. Так? If you like vareniki, please give me likes and subscribe to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. One portion of vareniki I have already cooked, and another one I'm going to put in freezer and cook them tomorrow, for example, because it's better to eat fresh cooked vareniki with sour cream. So I have already cooked my vareniki з вишнями and going to eat them. So I wish you смачного, bon appetit, і subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my online school Speak Ukrainian. Ось так.